Hi DIYers, this is Michael from AlarmGrid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a wireless zone from an Interlogix or GE Simon XT security system. And we have our Interlogix Simon XT here, might also be known as the GE Simon XT. There have been many variations of this wireless system released through the years, and now Interlogix is out of business, but you still find them pretty commonly. But they all use the same process for deleting a zone. If you aren't aware, all versions of the Interlogix Simon XT or GE Simon XT use 319.5 megahertz wireless sensors. They enroll with the system pretty easily. You can find these sensors manufactured by Qolsys, Interlogix and GE made their own, various third-party ones. Today I'll actually be demonstrating a Versa GE sensor. It's also 319. And they can all enroll nicely with the system. But one limitation of the Simon series systems, at least the Simon XT, is that it can only do 40 wireless zones. It only has 40 zone slots available. So if you run out of zones and you need to add a new one, then there's a good chance you'll be deleting a zone from the system. Or if there's a sensor you're not using, same case. And you'll actually see when I get into programming that the cell module also takes up a zone slot. So we don't have anything enrolled with the system right now. I'll show you the enrollment process during the video. But first I want to get us into programming so I can show you how you delete the zone. So we're at the main screen of the system. And we're going to scroll down until we reach System Programming. And then we're going to press OK. And then it's going to ask us for our code. And we're going to enter our installer code. And ours is at the default. Looks like I didn't do it fast enough. We'll have to go back to programming. And we'll click OK, and we'll enter the default installer code 4321, and then we press OK to confirm. And now we're in programming. So now I'm going to scroll down to sensors right there. We're going to press OK. And I'm going to show you the delete sensor option first, even though we don't have anything enrolled with the system, just to show you that you can only delete sensors that are enrolled with the system. In this case, we don't have any sensors enrolled with the system. We just have our cell module. It says GSM module. Looks like we need to upgrade to LTE, but we're going to back out because we're going to enroll the sensor first. And so we're back in the sensor menu, and we're going to go up to learn sensor. And now it's looking for a sensor, and these sensors learn in by a tamper cover. So we have our sensor here, and that's just a warning of the system, but don't worry about that. And we're just going to open up the sensor real quick. Go. Got that part done, and then we just need to kind of get under there. And Versa GEs can be a little tricky to open, but there we go. We got it. We got it open. That's releasing the tamper cover. And you see it's assigned it to sensor number 1, group 10. For our demonstration purposes, that's fine. We'll just click OK. And we'll just keep the name front door. And we're good. So we've added the sensor to the system. So now I can show you how you would go about deleting it. So we're going to press status again to get back into the sensor menu. We're going to go down to delete sensor. And you see that now we have our sensor that we just enrolled with the system displayed. We go down, we can see the other, the cell module in this case, which we don't want to delete that. But we do have the sensor here, and we just press OK. And there we get the message deleted. So just like that, we have deleted a sensor from the Simon XT security system. And just to back out, we can just keep pressing status until we're back at the main screen. And that's how you delete a sensor from a GE or an Interlogix Simon XT security system. We freed up the zone so that way we can use it with a new zone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video. If you have any questions about the Simon XT or any other security system or about alarm monitoring in general, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. And remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.